Okay, well, the Route Mobile stock is sulking post its Q1 earnings. The billable transactions have declined, but the revenue per transaction has sort of jumped. The company has also brought on board 150 new customers in the first quarter. Rajdeep Kumar Gupta, the MD and Group CEO and promoter of Route Mobile, joins us now to talk about that. Rajdeep, thanks so much for joining us. You know, there was an alleged data breach because of which the billable transactions came down to about 7 billion. This was later on cleared by independent audits, but can you just tell us what the way forward could look like in terms of transaction as well as revenues?
Good morning, Sonia. I think it's very, very clear, you know, like those are the frivolous data breach, alleged kind of thing. Hello, am I audible?
Go ahead.
Hello. I think those are the frivolous kind of data breach allegation which has been put to our company, and we have got all the clarification and all the certification from certain impaneled auditors. And I think as per the banking norms, we have to submit the audit report to the banks, and I think we did within 3 to 4 weeks. And now almost all the banks have started using our platform, and we see I think the volume ratio is coming as it was in Q4. So I think there was a little bit impact on our volume in the month of April, and post that I think we are able to provide all the details, the audit report required to the banks, and now things are all on normal.
Okay. Okay, I'll just come back to revenues and volumes in a minute, but you have also terminated your acquisition agreement with Phonon and evaluating other targets. Can you tell us what are you looking at? Why did you terminate?
So, Lata, good morning. I think it was I think we are very bullish about that acquisition, but somehow there are certain CP conditions which has not been fulfilled by the other party, and we would try to push them little hard and to make sure this deal gets closed. But since we didn't get a proper response from them, and we realized that it is dragging for a longer period of time, and we have to report to the stock exchange. And I think keeping that in mind, that since it is dragging for a very long time and there is no proper response from the other party, we thought it's good to terminate and move on. And that is the situation.
And therefore we should hear something more in terms of acquisitions since...
Lata, Lata, indeed. So I think as a company, we are expanding ourselves globally, and definitely we are in talks with certain candidates based out of Latin America and some other markets. And as a company, I think we are very focused in terms of our organic and inorganic strategy of growth. If you see, recently we acquired entire email platform from Serve, and we have rebranded the entire platform as a Send Clean, which is definitely going to be new SBU for Route Mobile.
Okay, so this 25% guidance that you have, the revenue growth guidance, how much of it will come from the acquisitions? How much of it will be from, just pure organic growth?
So Sonia, whatever guidance we have given to the market is completely based on organic.
Okay.
And we are very clear about our organic guidance and what we are going to achieve, and whatever extra we'll get through our acquisition, probably that will be add on.
So what will be the billable rate in July? I mean, I'm going back to that data breach issue, which you say is largely solved and you all are back to normal operations in the BFSI segment. So what will be the billable rate? I mean, what was it in July, for instance?
So I think we almost reached to 3 billion for the month of July. So we can see about 8.5 to 9 billion this quarter for sure.
Okay, got that. Now let's come to your other acquisitions. Are you likely to see an improvement in margins because of the acquisitions?
Lata, yes. If you see the new age technologies, or whether it's the email or other channel of communication, like if you see our presentation, we have done almost 300 million transactions over RCS, which is a new way of communication for enterprises. And we do believe that as soon as this kind of new channel of communication is going to be adopted by various enterprises, our margin is going to be definitely higher. And as you know, email is almost 80% gross margin as of today.
Okay. Well, we'll leave it at that, Mr. Gupta. Thank you so much for joining us and giving us your views. So that's the word from Route Mobile, down 3.5%. By the way,